Hello guys, myself Riya
and myself Nishan and we welcome you in today's segment of CG Mashup.
आज के सेगमेंट की शुरुआत करते हैं आज की कुछ खास बातों से। यार ये तो पूरा दिन ट्विटर हैशटैग वो करता रहता है। ये भी पता है कि ट्विटर
कितना टोकती है काम करने के टाइम पे। करने दे काम, ट्विटर जो भी है ठीक है,
पर मैं पूछ रही हूँ ना यार कि ट्विटर पता भी है कब क्रिएट हुआ था।
मुझे काम से मतलब रखूं कि मैं अभी ये ढूंढने जाऊं कि कब हुआ था।
अरे ये तो पता होना चाहिए ना, इतना ट्विटर करते हो तो।
चल,
अरे ये पता होना चाहिए कि कब बना था,
किससे बना था, बता दे।
हाँ तो तुम्हें तो पता है नहीं, तो मुझे ही बताना पड़ेगा ना। सुन लो, अभी सुन तो लो।
ठीक है। The world famous social networking platform took wings on 21st March 2006 and soon became a popular mode of online communication. Founded by Jack Dorsey, Biz Stone, Ivan Williams and Noah Glass, this social media giant had collected US $1.4 billion by 2014. Rani Mukherjee is an Indian film actress who was born on 21st March 1978. One of the most popular and highest paid Hindi film actors in 2000s, she has received several awards including 7 Filmfare Awards, which makes her one of the most awarded performer in the female acting categories along with Jaya Bachchan. Now let's have a look on today's Twitter trending. Hashtag China lied and people died. The Chinese are to blame for this Wuhan coronavirus pandemic. Their containment methods were laughable. Their officials refused to inform the public and people died. They allowed Wuhan to celebrate Chinese New Year, exposing potentially tens of thousands to the disease. Some 5 million left the city before they enacted a quarantine.
क्या हुआ, अब इतने गुस्से में क्यों?
मैंने तुझे याद है एक बार एक सेशन में बोला था बॉलीवुड स्टार्स कितना इनिशिएटिव ले रहा है।
हाँ।
सारे नहीं ले रहे, कुछ लोग अपने आप को आइसोलेट करके देश का सोच रहे हैं और कुछ लोग घुस के देश की बर्बादी।
कौन है ये गुस्ताख?
गुस्ताख भारी वर्ड यूज कर लिया। हाँ, उसको ऐसा कह ही सकते हैं। हाँ, बताता हूँ। According to the latest reports, UP police is all set to take actions against Kanika. Reportedly, cops will be filing an FIR against the singer under Section 269 of the Indian Penal Code. As per the section, whoever unlawful or negligently does any act which is and which he knows or has reason to believe to be likely to spread the infection of any disease dangerous to life shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 6 months or with fine or with both. Meanwhile, the district magistrate Lucknow will investigate all parties attended by the singer. Sonu Nigam is currently in Dubai with his family. The singer reportedly joined his family recently and decided to be there till March 17. According to a report, he along with his family has isolated themselves to stay safe. The singer doesn't want to return to India until things get normal.
Now let's have a look on global news.
The land border between Canada and the US closed to all non-essential travel at midnight Friday in an effort to stem the spread of the novel coronavirus. The border remains open for essential travel, which includes the transportation of goods and travel for work, in order to not hamper trade and the supply chains between the two countries. Train services across the country to remain suspended from midnight tonight to 10 p.m. tomorrow. Indian Railways has taken a slew of measures to contain the spread of COVID-19 virus. The measures are being implemented across all the zones. Indian Railway has taken steps to discourage the citizens from undertaking non-essential journeys by temporarily removing special incentives for many categories, including suspension of passengers and some long-distance trains.
ए निशांत, चलो क्वेश्चन पूछूं?
ना पूछ।
सबसे ज्यादा पोस्ट ऑफिस कौन सी कंट्री में?
इंडिया, अपना इंडिया।
अच्छा, और अपने इंडिया में पोस्ट ऑफिस कहाँ हो सकती है, ये कभी सोचा है?
इसमें सोचने का कुछ नहीं है, इतना मैं दिमाग नहीं लगाऊंगा, ये कॉमन बात है जमीन पे।
अरे पानी पे भी होती है, पता है?
कुछ भी
हंस मत, तेरे को सब में हंसी छूटती है। सच में पानी पे है अपने यहाँ इंडिया में। देख बताती हूँ।
India is not only known for the most significant number of post office in the world, but it has very own floating post office on Dal Lake in Srinagar. Perched on a houseboat, it also includes a philately museum within itself. Quite an unusual fact about India, isn't it?
देख मैं ना रिक्स के लिए नई बेल्ट लेके आया, कैसा है?
हाँ दिखा, मुझे दिखा, सबको दिखा लो, देखो देखो दिखा।
हाँ तो
तुम्हें पता भी है कि पहले बेल्ट का यूज किस तरह से होता
मुझे सब पता है।
है? हाँ अच्छा, क्या पता है बताओ।
यही बोलेगी अभी एंशियंट ग्रीक्स वो सब भारी पट्टे लगा देते स्पाइक्स के साथ, कांटे वाटे। कुत्तों का क्रेजी फैन हूँ मैं, ठीक है?
हाँ ओके,
I love dogs.
ठीक है
हाँ,
ठीक है।
तुझे पता होगा, मुझे पता होगा, पब्लिक को भी बताना पड़ेगा ना।
The spike dog collar was invented by the ancient Greeks to protect their dogs from the wolf attacks. While the Egyptians used dog collars for decorative and possibly even identification purposes, it was in ancient Greece that farmers created spiked dog collars as a way of protecting their dog's throat from being ripped out by wolves.
So that's all for today. We'll meet up in next segment of CG Mashup. Till then, hum nae, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.
And press the bell icon for more updates.
Do 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 do.